皆さんこんにちは。私はDr. Chen. Just call me Eric. I'm CEO at MyelinTek. MyelinTek. Myelin. Actually, myelin is a component in our brain to boost your data transfer from between the neurons. Okay, because we provide performance optimization technique during AI training. Yeah, before we were working in E3, and we were spun off from E3 in 2020. Okay, today I would like to share something about how to scale your business to digital transformation with AI-enabled SaaS solution. It's a long title, sorry about it. Okay, today I will talk about three parts. MyelinTek is our product name. Machine learning STEAM is a appliance, a system platform addressing about the machine learning and operation platform. I will talk about it later. And then is AI Start. How we would like to help some professional domain expertise to jump start to use your AI benefit. First, we all know that we talk about AI for years, and for some cases, GPU resource utilization is lower. And we also have to spend a lot of time, more than 1 week, to finish your AI, to deploy AI from end to end. And we also would like to, but we also want to enjoy AI benefit for your professional domains. So how do we do that? We know today we heard a lot of excellent infrastructure, hardware features, MyelinTek, Supermicro, QCT. Yeah, and gigabyte as well. And we need system platform to enable these hardware specialties. And we are one to do that. There's a gap between the application service and the infrastructure. We need a system platform to enable that. Okay. And what we agree on. So, MyelinTek is established in 2020. Like I said, it's from E3. Industrial Technology Research Institute. We developed some advanced technology for AI training and model serving in E3 now. But we also provide orchestration management to manage your AI training and AI operations. And before we have at least 10 years experience on large-scale system design and implementation from cloud computing to now is AI. So our slogan and goal is try to help the end users to focus on their AI mission without worrying about AI infrastructure. Because we all know that when we deploy AI, we enable AI, we take a lot of time, the effort, and the knowledge domain barrier to do that. So there's a life cycle in the process or workflow when you use AI. We all know that there's a training part, the other is inference part for different users. For training part is about researcher and developer teams. They care about how to do data processing, model design, training, how to do model evaluation, to detect data drift, something. So once the model is trained well, it's about operation application. The team care about how to do model optimization, how to deploy to edge device, or deploy to centralized data center, or public cloud, something infrastructure. And we have to monitoring the data model performance during the production. But it's not yet. We have to deal with new data correction. As we talk about version control and retraining. Okay. There are different kind of users. So it's very complicated. And so MyelinTek provide MyelinTek product to help three kinds of users: IT administrators, AI scientists, as data scientists, machine learning engineers, and AI service provider. For example, for IT administrator, they care about resource utilization actually. So we provide. We can bundle our system platform with a correct hardware spec for you. And digital from a small scale or large scale. It's a cross management, like storage node, maintenance node, computing node, can do all system design implementation for you. And I would like to talk about more about we are not like the market need more solutions, and we know for several years media is good, but not everything is good as well. I can show you. We do a lot of benchmark and co-work with AMD headquarters together on the machine learning and deep learning benchmarking. We call ML Commons or ML Perf before. It's a foundation to do benchmarking. So AMD GPU can we use AMD GPU to do AI training? It's good, performance good, and it is cost effective. The answer is yes or yes. And we have booths today, and we can show you how to from end to end to use AMD GPU to do AI training. And we use GitHub solutions. Okay. And so, next is for AI operation. AI scientists. AI scientists, like I say, is a data scientist, machine learning engineer. They need a total solution, include to make like orchestration management tools, including the data processing, model training design, and for example, is a well integrated development with hardware, with third-party tools, with template, and can some tools to data set labeling, or model evaluation, or data drift detection. It's about a task for the data scientists and machine learning engineers. And our platform can provide all tools for you in one platform. And then it's about service. And for AI service, eventually the model will go to service or application part. So what the AI service provider cares about is can we do model optimization tools or deployment, and moreover we provide a code pipeline to addressing the now is a very key issue called machine learning workflow from end to end. Because for the AI service provider, they don't know about the AI model code, the data characters, how to do data process. But then they know the model AI result is good or bad, so they can collect more data in the first year of operation. So we call pipeline. So the operator can use pipeline to collect more data and retrain the model without knowing the model code. Okay, it's very important. You will hear that in the next year more frequently. And we also provide some mechanism like model potential. So during the model in production, the model code cannot be leaked or easily competitive. And we have several successful cases from since 2020. We helped a hospital to build up a centralized model serving system. It can handle multiple requests from different clinic doctors' requests to do AI. That means that in the back end, there's a system that need to deal with model repository, including multiple models and different data set, input and output, and it also integrate with what we call PAS, PSCS, healthcare data set in hospital. And we also have a National Defense Department. It's for not operation, it's for developers team. They have rich environment infrastructure like pure storage system, NAS storage system, DGX, media DGX system, and GPU servers. And we even provide them in this year we call mini data center, because for the defense department they need sometimes, in some cases, the data privacy is important. They need to build up a data center without internet. So we can build up a full stack, a full rate of cluster like management nodes, computing node, storage node, and high availability. And from last year, we also provide solutions. we can bundle this AI trained model as an application for some professional domain expertise to their service. They want to do service in their specific vertical domain. And now we know that it's very complicated. If you are developers, yeah, you understand like the value. If you are operators, you know the value. But if you are the professional domain entity, it's a bit complicated. So we would like to move on to provide what we call AI Start. We would like to help the AI professional domain expertise to jumpstart to use AI. How? We all know that the answer actually is service. From some market surveys, articles say the market size gets bigger 10 times. And you can notice like actually it's about not just infrastructure, hardware, not just software, it's all together, but also going to service. Okay. So from 2015 or 16, we can notice like the AI trend is come from research-driven infrastructure, hardware, public cloud, but we have to use more preferably, so we have to learn knowledge. But eventually we'll go to what we call applied AI. As we don't need to, how do we not to do from project base, from end to end, can we leverage the proven case? So we will talk about domain AI enabled. It's proven case, and we will use it and leverage it. And so that it is a service way, so we can scale the business to provide more AI benefit to more AI expertise, domain expertise. Okay. So let's return to this part. Is when you enable AI process, actually the service part only care about this part. They don't need to know the complicated part, training, retraining. They only care about model operation is good or not. Okay. So our AI SaaS solution, we cooperate with SaaS, we can say SaaS provider, okay, to try to lower the entry barrier, AI knowledge, or infrastructure knowledge, or application knowledge. And why? How do we do that? We have to leverage proven AI solution. And can continue to do AI optimization for your cases, and can use easily to use on-premise cluster or public cloud infrastructure resource. Yeah. So the key player, not just including the domain knowledge expertise, that we need cloud operation and AI operation. So the key among these players is the system platform. We try to empower SaaS providers to extend their business to AI service. We can use our pipeline feature or other feature in our system platform for developers to define their machine learning or AI workflow from end to end. For example, like the data processing from raw data to training data set. What tools will you use, step by step, and the dependency and the configuration. Our platform can allow AI developers to define it so that the operators can just use it. And then the new data professional domain expertise can correct their data, get direct access to the pipeline to generate AI model in the beginning. If the result is good, just roll an update to use the AI model. But if the result is bad, let's call AI developer. So that we don't need to call for help to the AI developer in the first step. So the game is like we need AI operators to help domain expertise to provide AI service, and we need cloud operation to provide infrastructure. But among these three key players, we need a system platform to do that. That's the value about ops platform. Not just training, not just operation. It's about orchestration between these two parts. money. We have to make money. So the money, the flow is actually come from end user. And so domain expertise, they know the market, they know the pain point. So they want to provide service not just internally, not just used by themselves. They want to provide service to other colleagues of doctors in this field. So our end users. So it's like a revenue sharing of language. Okay. So that we can have a SaaS platform to work with infrastructure, SaaS provider to scale domain expertise business easily. Okay, like we call AI-enabled SaaS solutions. Okay, and there's another case we help some doctors to do some AI service. We don't need to do it from end to end, just to leverage the program case. So you can save 80% workload in the beginning. So it's complicated. So no matter you have hardware infrastructure or not, no matter you know AI or do not know, you can welcome to talk to us and let us help you to accomplish your AI mission. And we have good space behind it there. So welcome to us. Thank you.